sauce, if you couldn't figure it out.
It's gonna be the best fucking pasta ever.
Yeah, it is. Cause you know who's cooking it? McMuffin. McMuffin's fucking cooking pasta.
Wait, McMuffins make? I don't know if I'd want to get pasta
Oh,
with a guy named McMuffin.
Hey, watch your language. McMuffin makes the best pasta. Yes, I do refer to myself in the third person. I mean,
by my nickname.
McMuffin refers to himself in the third person.
No, fuck that. No, we're eating that over ragu. I'd rather eat frickin' moldy pasta than ragu.
Easy fiber. Where's the hard time from?
Alright. How much? Alright. You gotta cook a little more pasta for all that sauce.
Well, that's gotta slow cook. This cooks fast.
Yeah, but you can't cook a pound of pasta in this little guy right here.
Oh.
Alright. Easy. Can we do something terrible?
No. What? Put the pasta.
No, can we go across the hall and steal one of their giant pots? We'll wash it and put it back. Yeah. We should get a lid. Pussy snap.
Does that lid not fit?
This lid actually...
Oh! Kinda.
Hey, close enough for me.
Close. When it comes to cooking, close is good enough.
I mean, you can keep going at him with the ice pick. I don't give a shit.
You're an asshole, you know that? All you do is just ridicule me and belittle me.
How when I'm cooking pasta?
I sleep over a hot stove.
Brooklyn accent. Hey! Hey! Hey, you!
Who wants the spoon? What?
Huh?
Drop another chip on the floor. There you go.
No, it's my floor. You can do what I want. You pay for this floor? I don't think so. You pay for that chair? Not me. Not now, not never.
When did Christopher Walken get here? You pay for that floor? That's a terrible Christopher Walken.
He told us I had to get aggressive.
Yeah, get aggressive.
Wait, what?
Get aggressive. I can't play.
Oh. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
You know what? Trick is, gotta be a little smarter than a thing of sauce. So I'm just gonna nuke this again. You know, little couple, put it in there for a little bit instead of sitting there for 5 minutes trying to chisel it out. I'm gonna microwave it for 3, and then I'm gonna save 2 minutes. And you know what I can do in 2 minutes? I can probably teach his ass how to play guitar in 2 minutes. Or I can go in my room, lock the door, and be my meat real quick. You know, I have my options laid out before me. Just like that.
Play the guitar.
Huh? What is this guy trying to cook some sauce? I got your sauce right here. It's right here. There it is. Get the camera angle. Nice. All right, don't get too close. Love is what I.
You motorboat son bitch. You son bitch. Videotaping everything. But what you do? But what you do?
We're gonna get a noise complaint.
There's no one here, but it's really fucking noisy.
The RAs in North are gonna be like, what the fuck is going on in South?
Wouldn't they like to know?
Oh, what a dick!